Well, I finally did it. Went to Windows 11. First login. Now, I've been on Windows 11 on my laptop for quite some time, but I've kind of been a stickler in the mud with Windows 10. Now, I did have it on Legacy boot and not UEFI, and I sort of missed out on resizable bar, but at the time my graphics card didn't support it anyway. Somebody gave me a 2070 a while back, and I thought I'd probably want to enable resizable bar. Found out I can't do that unless I've got UEFI on. So today I went from an MBR to a GPT partition and enabled secure boot, turned on the TPM, and did the Windows 11 upgrade. So hopefully it doesn't break too many things, because I got a lot of software on here and I didn't make a backup of anything. I was going to get a separate SSD, clone it, and then do the update. But we'll see how it goes. I should add that because Windows 10, I assume Windows 10 decided I wasn't eligible, it did give me an extra year of update support for free, which was nice. Well, here we go. We're logged in. Let's see how many things break and how many things look like it's Apple when I don't want it to be Apple. Anyway, I got some stuff to change now, and apparently a crap ton of icons to move. Okay, first thing off the bat is my CD emulator. I can fix that later anyway. Alright, so I've got 3 displays worth of icons now where they're no longer overlapping. The tedious crap begins, although at least I can see my stuff. I can check if things work or not. First priority met, video editing software still works, which means I can continue doing YouTube videos. Let's see if Discord will load. And why do we have Microsoft Teams again? I just got rid of Microsoft Teams. No, go away. I'm going to remove that. Discord seems to work. Alright. Right, Teams, no, uninstall. Piss off. I didn't ask for you. Don't put yourself back on here. And next one I can't show you because it's all my emails. But yes, my emails are working. And I'm getting spams to try and renew my W8BEN tax form even though I'm an Australian resident. Anyway, alright, emails are working. Good news. Alright, AutoCAD works. And it's my wife's raid night in WoW, so you'll hear her laughing in the background. AutoCAD works. Alright, that is the essentials. If nothing else works, I can survive with that for now. And I'm slowly moving stuff back to where it should be. Well, hey, even Tailscale kept its configuration. That I'm happy about. And Firefox kept my session, which is nice. Although this might not be that accurate, but I'm going to find out what that's about too. Anyway, mostly happy. Okay, I'm by no means anywhere near sorted. But I've got a few things in predictable places. I can sort of find stuff now. I will continue over the next few days to put all these things back. There's a few things I'm looking forward to. One, when I upload stuff off one of my 2 phones. Previously, I'd have to do it manually. I think in Windows 11 now, I should be able to actually reference in a batch script the particular files I want on my phone. So I'll be able to go just back up the video files to the Aussie Repair Guy YouTube channel working folder. So when I do a session of recording on my desk, I can just plug my phone in with the spare fly lead that hangs off here, run a script, or even have one automatically run and do exactly what I want with a batch script. It will be nice. So there are a few changes to Windows 11 I'm looking forward to. A few things I'm going to miss with Windows 10. But you know what? I've been dealing with Windows upgrades since Windows 98. Well, actually, my first Windows version was Windows 3.11 for workgroups. So really, I'm glad to not have to do this with floppy disks. I really am. And yeah, every time I do an upgrade, I hate it. It's change, and that's my primary thing is I'm autistic. I don't like change. Anyway, Windows 11, from my experience on my laptop, is not the worst. But there's a few things I don't like, some of the layout. But I'm going to work on that. We can fix that. We will bend it into working the way we like. Anyhow, I have some time to work with this it didn't completely break the essential things, so I'm not offline for YouTube videos. So I will see you later, and I apologize for the crappy quality. I would normally screen record this, but as you might imagine, when you're in the middle of an operating system update, screen recording gets kind of tricky. Anyway, see you in the next one. I'm on Windows 11 now, finally.